Welcome to the Triton 5 Online Manual. When you build your planned maintenance for one item, instead of starting over, you can copy the tasks to another piece of equipment. This is useful for items like generators, water makers, and engines. Once copied, the tasks can be unlinked if they are scheduled on running hours. This brief video will show you how to copy planned maintenance tasks to equipment. In this example, we'll be copying the service intervals from the starboard water maker to the port water maker. As you can see, the port water maker does not have the same service intervals. Go to the menu, select Scheduling, and go to Equipment Maintenance. We can filter to water maker by typing water maker under the equipment header. Our first one to copy will be the 100 hours service. Select it in the item grid, then go to the Tools icon in the upper right-hand corner. Click on the Link Schedule button. From the drop-down list, you can type in Water Maker to filter for that, or you can scroll down to Water Maker. Select the Port Water Maker. Click Next. Save your changes. The 100-hour service has now been copied. Let's continue to the 500-hour service. Once again, select it in the item grid, go to the toolbar, select Link Schedule. This time we'll scroll down to the Port Water Maker. Check the box next to that piece of equipment. Click Next, and save changes. Our final one to copy is the 1,000-hour service interval. Click Link Schedule from the Tools icon. Scroll down to the equipment that you want to add to it. Click Next and save changes. And there we have it. 3 planned maintenance tasks copied in a matter of seconds. We can double check our work by going back to the equipment lists and checking the maintenance tasks that are outstanding. And here we are. These are the starboard water maker planned maintenance program, and it's now duplicated for the port water maker. And that is how you copy planned maintenance to other pieces of equipment. For more information, visit our website at greatcirclesys.com or explore our YouTube channel for more Triton 5 procedures. Thank you for watching the Triton 5 Online Manual.